What's up everybody, this is the fourth here, and today I'm going to be showing you the easy way to understand basic chord progressions. So the first thing you're going to need to do is choose your scale. And if you're good at scales, knowing your scales, then chord progressions are going to be a lot easier, but if you don't really know your scales all that well, you don't have to worry too much, because there are scales you can play that are only the white notes, and you can use these for now. Okay, so the two scales using only the white notes are going to be the C major, which starts on this note, which is C, and it sounds like this. And then the other one is the A natural minor, which starts on A, which is that note there, and it sounds like this. As you can see, they both sound differently, and for this tutorial we'll be mostly using the C major scale. So that's starting here again, all the white notes. Okay, so all you have to do to play a chord, a basic chord in your scale of choice, is play every other note in the scale for 3 notes, starting from whichever note you want that chord to be. So if you want a 1 chord in the C major scale, you're going to start on C and then play every other note for 3 notes at the same time. And that's your basic C major chord. And if you wanted to play the 4th chord, you'd go to the 4th note in the scale and then play every other note for 3 notes. So, and then same with the 5th, 6th, 7th, and so on. So you're just playing every other note, starting on the note that is the number that you want your chord to be. So if you want to do a 1, 4, 5 chord progression, you'd play the 1 chord, which is going to be this, then the 4 chord, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, then every other note. Then the 5 chord is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, every other note. Then you can go back down to 4 if you want. So faster, it looks like this. And that will work for any scale you want. So in a minor scale, it'll be in the A minor. That's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then back to 1. So hopefully that's pretty simple. It's the easiest way I can think of to explain it. Okay, so now, if you know your basic chords, you can do the different inversions of each chord. So, say you want to play the 4th chord of the C major scale. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then every other note. So the basic inversions are, instead of playing this note on top, you bring it down to the bottom. So it's over here now. And then the next inversion is taking this note from the top now, and then putting it on the bottom. So it's... And that's useful for, especially when you're playing like the piano or something. It not only does it give it a different feel, but it can make it easier to play. So the 1, 4, 5 chord progression in C major again is going to look like this. That's the 1 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. But take this down here and it looks like this. Then the 5 chord is going to be these 3, but take this one again down here, and it looks like that. And then faster, it's but once again, these are just the basics. If you want to get deeper into chords, you should probably, study up some music theory. But this should hold you over for most songs, especially if you're a beginner, because you can get some nice sounding stuff. But yeah, that's the basics to chord progressions, and hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, like it, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and cheers!